want to modify this drawer a little bit. It's very wobbly, it's not good. So first I'm gonna take some measurements, then I'm gonna cut some plywood, particle board, I'll see. Measure a few pieces of particle board or plywood. Cut the pieces. Okay, after you've got all pieces cut, just shape them a little bit. Make a few more cuts. A little bit of sanding. And now just assemble it. After it's pre-assembled, we're just gonna do a test fit and then we're gonna glue it up. So make sure that it fits in the space together with the rails. The rails aren't gonna go on the bottom, they're gonna go up here. So it seems to fit well. Now we're gonna disassemble it, glue it up and screw it together. After gluing it up, install the rails, make sure it works. I've double-sided taped the face on. Now I'm gonna pull it out and screw it from behind. It's all done except for the painting. All it needs now is a little bit of prep and painting. It's all masked up and now painted. Just let it dry. Okay, this is the final install. Looks good, works perfect. I'm happy with that. Now let's load it up. It is now all done and loaded up. Way more stable. And you can fit a lot more in. Very easy project.